Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just hanging out at home and I am really in the mood to make some Christmas cookies, so let's get going. Here are all of our ingredients. Since groceries are so crazy expensive, I'm trying to make some recipes that are less ingredients. So we just have some mini marshmallows, some pre-made sugar cookie dough, some pre-made chocolate chip cookie dough, Andes mints, candy canes, hot chocolate mix, and some cold brew coffee. Let's get started. Now first, we are going to measure out half of our container of chocolate chip cookies and put it into our stand mixer, and then we're just going to add in some of our ingredients. Okay, so in this bowl, we've got our first cookie dough ingredients all measured out. So we have 160 grams of hot cocoa mix, 1 pound and 2 ounces of chocolate chip cookie dough, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened black cold brew, and we have 2.5 ounces of mini marshmallows. Now we're just gonna get that all mixed up. After just a couple spins in the KitchenAid, that is all mixed together. This stuff tastes super, super good. Let's go ahead and put this in the fridge. For our next flavor, we need 5.3 ounces of candy canes. And we need 4.67 ounces of some Andes mints. Delicious treats require patience. Let's food process those up. We added the crushed up candies into 15 ounces of sugar cookie dough. Now we just added in the first dough we made. We're gonna give that just a little bit of a swirl. Let's scoop that stuff out. I scooped each one to be about a tablespoon, and me and Zena ended up with 56 loaded Christmas cocoa cookies. Aren't they beautiful? I did eat a little bit of the dough too, so you probably could have gotten a couple more, and I'm gonna scrape that and eat it. So let's go ahead and pop some of these in the oven. I'm gonna start with baking them for 10 minutes, I think. I really don't think they need very long. They're pretty small. Zena knows it's been 10 minutes. Ooh. They look like they might need a little bit more time. Hey Google, set a timer for 4 minutes.
Second timer for 4 minutes. Starting now.
This is what the cookies look like after 18 minutes at 350 degrees. These ones have come almost totally back to room temperature. I am having a little bit of trouble taking them off the pan. This is one I tried to take off too soon, but this one came off pretty easy. So I think we're gonna go for a walk, let these totally 100% cool, and then I'll try to take them off. That is so good. Chewy, but crunchy. Love the peppermint and the coffee and the cocoa. These cookies turned out tasty. They are a little bit crunchier than cookies I've made in the past, but honestly, they are really good. So I made a couple plates, and I'm gonna give them to a couple of my neighbors. Zena wants to spread some Christmas cheer. Well, maybe this was not that great of an idea. Neither of my neighbors answered the door, but we tried. If we see them tomorrow, we will try to give them their cookies. But if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Definitely try out this delicious loaded Christmas cocoa crunchy cookie recipe. If you try it, tell us about it in the comments. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.